Here's a certified 2016 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The C-Class has pioneered breakthroughs in performance, safety, and luxury for 5 generations, raising the bar and putting innovation within reach. Features include Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual-zone climate control, power heated mirrors, AMG aluminum wheels, automatic transmission, AMG ride control automatic with driver control suspension management, Embrace 2 external memory control, power tilting steering column, sport suspension, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and twin-turbo V6 engine. Car and Driver remarks, consider the C-Class as all that Mercedes-Benz knows about full-size luxury distilled into a smaller package. Mercedes-Benz, high style, high performance. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,